Do you ever wonder why we still exist today, despite all of the dangerous space energy generated by our sun? Well, I'm quite curious too, so let's go find out. The magnetosphere acts as a barrier, repelling unwanted energy that is harmful to life on Earth, trapping the majority of it in the Van Allen belts, twin donut-shaped regions far away from the planet's surface. It protects us from the solar wind, which is a stream of strongly charged particles released by the sun, and deflects a large portion of charged particles. Solar wind is only visible on Earth when it is powerful enough to create aurora borealis and geomagnetic storms. Here's the big question. How can the Earth have a geomagnetic field even when no magnets are embedded in its layers? The crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core are the four known layers that make up the Earth. The fluid outer core is where most of the Earth's geomagnetic fields are created. The convective forces continuously churn the molten metals, and they also spin in whirlpools, fueled by the rotation of the Earth. This swirling mass of metal creates electrical current thousands of miles wide, and moving at hundreds of miles per hour as the Earth rotates. This mechanism is responsible for maintaining Earth's magnetic field, is known as the geodynamo. The dynamo theory was proposed in the mid-1900s by the American physicist Walter M. Althusser and British geophysicist Edward Bullard. Allow me to demonstrate how this is possible. We have a thin glass layer and a magnet here. Glass is neither magnetic nor electrically conductive. So let's see what happens if I let this magnet slide here. It slid off at a fast pace. We now have the same magnet and a thin aluminum layer. Although aluminum is not magnetic, it does conduct electricity. So what do you think will happen if I let this magnet slide down here? It slid off as well, but more slowly this time. This demonstrates that an electrically conductive material, such as aluminum, can create a magnetic field. Who knew that the fluid outer core would play such an important role in the survival of all living things on Earth? The Earth's geodynamo is a never-ending dance of forces that generates the magnetic field that protects and sustains life on Earth. It's a structure of science and wonder, with mysteries still to be solved and the beauty that never ceases to astonish.